So YouTube, we back with another one, man. Back with another video on the truck. Today we finna put a power steering pump on this thing, man. Still working, but you know, it's just making noises and all kind of stuff, man. So we finna go ahead and replace this thing, man. Y'all stay tuned. We finna get right into it, man. I'm finna let y'all hear what it's doing, what it sound like. That way, if y'all have the same issue, man, y'all already know what's going on. So here we go. We finna start it up. Alright, so man, we got it all started up. Let me take it around here so y'all can. Y'all probably can hear it from right here. Let me just rev on it. That's squeaking right there, man. That's squeaking right there that I'm getting. So that squeaking noise you just heard, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. Power steering pump. Anyway, man, that's what we finna fix today. Cause pretty sure at some point making noises like that, they finna go out on me. So I ain't gonna wait. We finna go ahead and get it done, man. Here we go. Alright, so man, this is what we got. We got a bolt right there and right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right there by my finger. And it should be some, I'm thinking it should be something attached to this side, but this side just float. But, you know, we got a bolt in it, so I got another bracket I'm gonna try. And hopefully that bracket will work. But anyway, let's get these two bolts loose and loosen the belt, and we're gonna pull it off. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so man, once you get that done, get them two bolts out. As you see, the belt just comes right off. A little small belt right there. Pull your power steering, pull it out. Then you get your two lines off, that one, and this one just has a flathead screw in it. Take that off, and we're finna get this line off, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, we got the wrench on there. It's a 16 or 5/8, and you wanna get yourself, man, to catch your fluid once it comes out, and then you wanna actually drain the rest of the fluid out of the system and just put some fresh fluid in the system. So I ain't got nobody to hold the camera for me, man, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back in and when we go start installing the new pulley and taking the pulley out. So stand by. Alright, man, so we got that done. Here's the new power steering pulley pump, I meant to say. And we gotta take the pulley off the old one and put it on the new one and the bracket. And I got another bracket, so we're gonna use the new bracket. So y'all stay tuned. Gonna get this on here. Alright, so man, here goes the pulley puller and installer. Just got a few sleeves and different things, man. I'm gonna get ready to show y'all how this stuff go on here, man. Stay tuned. Alright, so it says lubricated, so I'm gonna put a little grease on it right here. And I got my sleeves, small part of it at the bottom. We're gonna go right on top of this. I'm gonna go right over the pulley. Get this thing right. Alright, man, we're gonna go right over the pulley We're gonna put the sleeve on it. And we're gonna put a little pressure on it. Alright, man, I almost got it off. Almost off. Boom. It's off. Alright, now you see. Pumps look. They look similar now. So we're gonna compare the old one to this new one. And I got a new bracket that I'm gonna try out. I'm gonna see how it fits. So y'all stand by, let me go grab the new bracket. Alright, man, so I got bad news, man. The new bracket I got will not fit. No matter how I twist it and turn it, can't get it to fit. So looks like we're gonna be reusing the same bracket. So let's get these bolts off and let's get this pulley put back on. Alright, man, got the pulley sitting on. Getting ready to put it back on, man. Here we go. Real simple. The only thing you really gotta worry about at this point is make sure it's going straight. Got my little Milwaukee ratchet. So here we go. Uh-oh. Alright, man, so we got everything installed, got a new pulley on. Still got to figure something out about that little side piece right there. But got it all installed, got the belt tightened up. Got it in. Just put some fluid in it. Now we finna crank it up and see was that really our problem. Alright, man, we finna do a start up. We're gonna rev on it, see if we still get that old squeaky noise. Alright, man, so that fixed it. One more problem fixed up. One more problem we got fixed. So anyway, man, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, man. We're gonna keep working on this truck, man. So subscribe, like it, all that, man. I'm gone.